The Department of Social Welfare and Development, or the DSWD, launched its latest initiative, Apo Ko, Kwento ni Lolo't Lola, Gabay ng Kabataan, on Thursday at the Haven for the Elderly in Tanay, Rizal. According to the DSWD, the program aims to strengthen the connection between the elderly and the youth by sharing stories, wisdom, and values. The agency also announced plans to expand the program nationwide in collaboration with local government units. Aside from storytelling, the program features an interactive workshop called Legacy Labs, where grandparents and young participants engage in activities to have meaningful exchanges.
Binibigyan po ng daan para ang ating kabataan ay magkaroon ng interaksyon at maraming matutunan sa ating pong mga lolo't lola na napakaraming pong mahahalagang kaalaman, karunungan at magagandang asal.